Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make Facebook account completely private. To get started, open up the Facebook application, log into your account, and then go to the profile icon on bottom right or at the top right. Next step, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. From the appearance menu, proceed to privacy shortcuts. Alright, once you're here, tap on take a private checkup. First we need change who can see what you share. Then tap on continue at the bottom. So basically you should change next to phone number, tap on this option and select only me. Next to your email, tap on this option and select only me. Scroll down. Next to your birthday, tap on this option and select only me. Hometown, select and select only me. So basically change all privacy settings to only me, as you can see. Alright, then tap on next at the bottom right. Tap on future posts, tap on more and tap on only me. Stories, tap on public, select friends, or you can also select custom and select only one friend from your friends list. Then tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, as you can see here says limit past post. Tap on limit and then tap on limit. Change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. Anyone tagged in these posts as their friends may still see them. So basically we should limit it. Then tap on next at the bottom right and of course tap on next. Then review another topic. Tap on how to keep your account secure. Tap review. So basically here you can change your password. We just skip it. Then you can enable two-factor authentication. Then tap on next and control your alerts. You should enable two options, Facebook and email. This is a control your alerts. Tell us how to notify you if someone logging into your account from a place we don't recognize. So basically you should enable two toggles. Then tap on next and tap on review another topic. Next step, select how people can find you on Facebook. Then tap on continue. Select who can send you friend request. We can select only everyone or friends of friends. So select friends of friends. Then tap on next. Your phone number. Check who can look you up by your phone number and email address. Select everyone and select only me. Then mail, select only me. Then tap on next. Search engines like Google can link to your profile to help people find you more easily. So basically you should disable this toggle. Then tap on next and tap on review another topic. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on your data settings on Facebook. Then tap on continue. You can remove this app that have access to your Facebook account. So basically you can, next to any of app, tap on remove. Then tap on next. Also you can change your location privacy. Simply go to device settings and enable or disable your location. As you can see on my specific case, select location while using. You can change it. Then go back to Facebook app, tap on next at the bottom right and tap on review another topic. Alright, as you can see here says you can check more privacy settings on Facebook in settings. So basically we should go back to our settings. You can see on main menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Alright, next step, tap on profile settings. We should enable privacy. Scroll down a little bit, select who can see your future posts. Tap on more and tap on only me and then save it. Go back, then limit who can see your past post. Then tap on limit past post. Go back, then select who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Tap on more and select only me. Go back, who can see your future reels. As you can see here says allow others to share your reels to their stories. You can select no and then scroll down, and from reels default audience you can hide from certain friends or just select friends. So basically two options, and of course public, but we don't select public. Scroll down, how people find and contact you. Select who can send you friend requests, and of course you can select only friends or friends. Go back, select who can see your friends list. Tap on more and tap only me. Go back, select who can look you up using the email addresses you provided. Then select only me. Go back, select who can look you up using the phone number you provided, and then select only me. Go back, and almost last option what we need to change. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Select it and disable this toggle to allow search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile. Then go back, again go back and select active status and disable this toggle. Just simply tap on this toggle to disable show when you are active. Tap on public posts and select who can follow me. Public friends. Then select who can see your followers on your timeline. Select only me. Public post comments. Select friends. Public post notification, no one. Select. Then scroll down, public profile info, you can select only friends. And that's it, just go back and use your Facebook application.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.